channel. Today we have our first competition vlog. I'm competing on 4x4, 3x4, one-handed, and just regular 3x3. Currently I'm practicing 4x4 because it's my first event, and I'll show you guys then. No! I don't have to keep it like this, right? You get it. That one. Okay, so I just finished 4x4, but I missed the cutoff. I messed up really bad. It's okay, because I wasn't even that prepared for 4x4. Next up, I have 3x3, but I've been getting some pretty good shows for me, and I'll see you guys then. Also, guys, my goals for 3x3 is number 1, to get at least a PLO or an OLL skip, to get into the second round, and not getting any +2s.
Abron, 4. Rafi, station 3. Liam, 2. Harper, 1. Holden, 5. Holden, 2. Ronapon, 4.
I think it could be.
Doug, 8. Noah, 3.
Oh!
So I just finished 3x3. Sadly, I didn't make it into the second round, but I got a 20.04 average, which is a really, really good average for me. Anyway, next we have 3x3 one-handed, which I've been practicing for a lot. I've been practicing for it actually for the past hour, and I'll see you guys then.
Jalen. 1.
after my old average, low 20.
August 5. Sebastian 1. Nice. Kind of messed up there, but still. Guys, I just got back from the competition and it's been a few hours, so here are my results. 3x3 weren't the best for me, obviously. I started with a good solve, then a really good solve. Then I got a +2 here sadly, which ruined my sub 20 average, but it's okay, I got really close. And I just did really good in 3x3. And I came in 56th place out of 110, which is decent for my third competition. 4x4. I did terrible. I wasn't that prepared for the cutoff of 1 minute 30. I started with a DNF because of my funny moment. I think you've all seen that. And then I just got a pretty bad solve. The only reason it says I got PR because this is my first time competing in 4x4. 57th place out of like 65, which is really bad, but it's okay, I wasn't that prepared. And a one-handed. One-handed went really well for me. I started off with a really lucky scramble. I had like a double X cross already made with a really good solve. This is my all-time PB, like I've never even gotten one at my house. And then I got some good times on here. I really messed up my GC perm. I don't know how to do it one-handed. I got in 41 place out of 56, but they didn't have a second round for one-handed, so yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I had a really good competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next video.